changes.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome in. I want to update everyone August 29th, 2021 on the sales outlook for eBay for this account that we just started. Again, it was shut down while we were living in a resort. All the inventory was stuffed away. So it started at 0 on June 1st. It's now August 29th. So in just a few days, we will be at an official 90-day total. We are close to 5,100. We're hoping to get around 53, 54, maybe 5,500 in the first 90 days of opening a store. So yes, guys, it can be done. The next 90 days, which will be September, all of October, all of November. So starting December 1st, we should be up over that 10 to 12,000. And by the end of the year, we should be exactly where I thought we would be, about a 15,000 plus 90-day total. I'd love to get to 20, we'll see. But that means the store is producing $5,000, $6,000 a month in sales at 50% profit, starting as a fresh new store. So people always ask me, what do I have to do? How long is it going to take in order to produce $2,000 or $3,000 or $4,000 a month in profit? And assuming that they're operating at 50%, that means they want to do about $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 in sales, somewhere between 4 and 6. So just call it 5,000 in sales. Well, can it be done in the first 6 months? Absolutely. Can it be done in 30 days? Probably not really hard unless you go all in. Can it be done in 60 days? It'd be a stretch. Can it be done in 90 days? Almost. Now, we have been focusing all on Shopify. I do YouTube. We do a ton of other stuff. But if you cut all that out and you're not a YouTuber, you're not Shopify, you're not wholesale, and all you do is focus on the account, on eBay, on the sales, can you do $5,000 a month in sales in 90 days? Yes, absolutely. That doesn't include, we're doing $20,000 on Shopify and wholesale and direct sales. So we have all those other sales to just crumble over top of eBay. But if I pushed all of that onto eBay, we'd probably be at $10,000 a month in sales. So why don't I just focus on eBay? A lot of other platforms like Shopify have lower fees. We sell direct, we sell faster. We have relationships with customers, discounted shipping even lower than eBay. So that's why we do all that. But just me doing this eBay shipping and eBay listing kind of part-time, there's two of us working on it, but Kate runs her business, helps do wholesale, all that stuff. We've only got up to about 880 listings in 3 months, which is not all that much because you're only talking about 300 listings a month is 900 that we have up, and we've probably sold a couple hundred, 200. So, really we've only listed 1,100 items, and a few hundred of those were just relists. So we're not working full time at it. And we're already hitting, what is going to amount to about $2,000 in sales per month, $3,000 by the end of the year, $5,000, $6,000. So it can be done, guys. We're going to build this store up to $10,000 a month in sales. Starting out January 22nd or January 2022, February, 10,000 in sales for 1 month. That's the goal. Hopefully a little faster than that. Hopefully by Christmas with fourth quarter, you have a chance to even ramp up even higher. So with that said, I won't ramble anymore. Please support our small seller who is always going to be linked down in the description box below all summer long. And visit our wholesale site. We do have tons of inventory, including a few more remote boxes for those of you that want it. But without further ado, let's check out what we did sell on eBay so you guys can get some ideas of items that sell best and hopefully move quickly for you to build your store up to $5,000 or $6,000 or $8,000 or $10,000 in sales, whatever it is that you want to build it up to. Let's go do it, guys. All right, so as I said, we're up to $5,033, but we have an item awaiting payment and a couple offers out, so we should be about $5,100 tonight. I know one of the items, the guy's going to take the offer for like $30, so that'll put us at $5,063. One waiting for payment is not going to count in here. I think that's like a $20 item, so that would be $83. So we'll be pretty close to $5,100 tonight with a couple days left, just 2 days left. So maybe we'll do $5,200, $5,300 for 90-day total. 216 items have sold in that time period. So if you do the 5,033, 53, and you divide that by 216 items sold, you come up with a $23.30 average. So we are averaging $23.30, making about $11.60, $11.70 per item in profit. We have 873 active, so a little less than I thought. But without further ado, you can just click that 216 and you can see the actual items that we've sold. So we are, obviously all of our remotes that we had previous to moving are up. Most of the other stuff is all clothing, toys, whatever. We do sell, probably 70% clothing, ties, and other items, 30% remotes. we are unable to list. So people always ask, why do we sell remotes in bulk? Why don't we just list all of them? Well, clearly we sell tens of thousands of remotes in bulk, boxes of 100. We might go through 15, 20 boxes a week and end up selling, 5, 10,000 remotes in a month. We can't list those. We would be here all century long trying to list those. So it's easier for us to just clean them up, sell them for $2 a piece, put them in the box and let you guys make some money on them. We don't cherry pick the pallets. We don't have time for that. The remotes that we have on our store, either we had previous to all the new bulk stuff, or it's stuff that we went through one pallet. We keep one pallet for ourselves, and we don't get to really go through the pallet. We have no idea what's in it when it shows up until we dig through it. So we keep one pallet for ourselves, and all the rest of the pallets we bulk up and sell out to you guys. So sometimes we pick the wrong pallet. Trust me, we've gotten pallets that were complete garbage that were the ones that we kept for ourselves. And if we hadn't kept it for ourselves, we would have ended up throwing it away anyways. We've thrown away 4 or 5 pallets. Trust me, we have absolutely hit the absolute worst bottom of the barrel on some of these pallets. But it happens. We take the good with the bad. The next pallet we make a couple grand on, so it all evens out. But yeah, it's completely, totally random. We would never have a chance to be able to go through all these remotes, and we have no way to know what's in them until they show up and we actually start digging through them. So that's where some of our remotes come from. So this is a Logitech Harmony $30 remote, and you'll see it. You'll see us sell some 25s and 20s and $30 remotes, and you'll see us sell some $9.99 remotes. So clearly, if we were cherry picking them, we wouldn't cherry pick $9 remotes. That's just stupid, right? We would take the best of the best. You have some of my customers selling $70, $80 remotes. So why wouldn't we take those? Clearly, we don't have a chance to go through all of them. We have no idea. We pack it up and out the door they go. Okay, so the Logitech Harmony remote, $30. Now, we're only into these remotes mostly for like 25 to 50 cents, some of them a little more. Polo tie, $13.50. Most of my ties I'm into for 50 cents. This Las Vegas shirt was a pretty cool shirt with dice on it. Sold it for $18. We paid about $2, maybe $2.50 for this shirt. And it was a pretty good sale. Texas Instrument calculator, something we probably got off a customer, garage sale, something, $45. Would like to say we have about $10 into that one, so not too bad. This Rotel programmable remote control, that came on one of the pallets, $29. Here's a universal remote, $14, $15, another tie. A good $35 remote. Here's what I'm talking about, a Philips TV remote, $9.99. Clearly not cherry picked. Wii remote controls. You guys know I buy a lot of video game stuff. I have customers that send me stuff, so that came out of one of those. Paid a few bucks for it. Burberry polo shirt was a $3 shirt we paid for in a bulk purchase. $25 jeans came in a bulk jean purchase. We paid $2.50 for per unit. Tim McGraw shirt, paid like $2 in the bulk purchase. The LuLaRoe I was in for $1 a piece, so sold for $15. Everyone who thinks LuLaRoe doesn't sell, it does. Levi's Western Pearl Snap shirt, $15, another 17 remote, 15 remote, and 11 Quicksilver. 2 remotes, 24 and 25, pretty popular remote iClicker 2s, whites and blues. Another tie for 13, remote. A lot of ties sold for $21. Sometimes I lot them together, $3 a piece. Cool. I paid 50 cents a tie, so I paid $3.50. It sold for 21, and it did go free first class because it was only about 14 ounces for all of those ties because they're about 2 ounces each. Calvin Klein dress pants, $18. Paid a few bucks for those. A couple more remotes, and these are the ones that were delivered. So they obviously shipped out last like Tuesday, Wednesday, or delivered like Friday. So you can see, remote, shirt. It's literally like a 50-50, maybe 60-40 breakdown. Remote, jeans, another calculator we got, shirt, remote, tie, shirt, video game. So you can see probably about 40% remotes, 60% the rest of the stuff. So hopefully this gives you guys an idea. If you mix it up, everything you can get for $2 and $3, you should have an average cost of goods. And then your average sale price is $23. If you're paying $2.30 on average, you're paying $2 for some items, $3 for others, $1.50, $4. So you have a $2.30. You have a 10% cost of goods average because you're selling for $23. Your average cost of goods is $23. That's or $2.30. That's 10%, right? We know eBay takes 14, so that's 24%. And if your labels are costing you around $4, that's 20% of your cost. $4.60 would be 20% of your $23 sale. That means you are at 44% between fees, shipping, and cost of goods. You have a store cost and you have materials and boxes or what have you for another percent or two. So you're at 45, 46%. You can be making more than 50%, which means if you're selling a $23 item, you might be making about $12 per item profit. So that's how it breaks down. That's how it works. And that, guys, is how we were able to produce that number in just our first 88 days. We'll be at 90 days soon, so about 5,200. And we're going to ramp it up. We're going to do the next 90 days is going to be even better. We'll be at 15,000 plus, maybe 20. So enjoy the rest of your weekend, guys. Appreciate it. Make sure you check out all the links down in the description box. Our remotes bulk are available. Our average sale price, which you can just see right there, is between 15 and 20. You should be able to average $15 and pay $2 plus shipping for them. That leaves you 13, less the shipping leaves you 10, less some fees leaves you about an $8 profit per remote. If you only sell half the remotes at an $8 profit, that's $400. You're paying 200 plus shipping. You've doubled your money and only half the box. So that should be where you end up. If there's any questions at all, please do not hesitate. Leave them in the comments section. Like this video for the YouTube algorithm. Turn the thumb blue. It means a lot to us. And subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this and other news and reseller related, business related, and entrepreneurship related content. Thank you so much. And I'll see everyone next time.